Welcome. In front of me is an ASUS Zenfone 10, and today I'll show you how you can enable your power saving mode on this phone. So to get started, we're going to pull down our notifications by swiping down from the top of our screen and swipe down once again to extend the list of toggles. Disregard this swipe to the side on its own. Just decided to randomly add its own toggle. But in here, we're looking for the power saving mode. So let's see if I can find it. Didn't want to press on that. So it actually looks like it's not added by default. So we're going to press right here on this pencil. I'm going to swipe down and hopefully it's somewhere here. Okay, that's interesting. Either I am literally blind or it's not here. Yeah, I genuinely don't see it here. So I guess we're just gonna navigate to settings. Not sure why the toggle doesn't exist here. It exists on almost every other phone. But anyway, we can just navigate to the battery and have the options right here. Maybe we can add it from here. But anyway, we have the system mode right here. So that's what you're gonna select. And here we have several different system modes. That's basically, one of them is the power saving mode. Now we have the high performance, obviously that is the exact opposite of it, dynamic, which automatically adapts, durable and ultra durable. Now the power saving mode, the typical one, would be the durable. And from here you can just simply tap on it to enable. Now, before we do so, I'm going to also touch upon the ultra durable, which when enabled will obviously prioritize power saving mode. Durable is just a more common one. But in both of them you have gear icons, right? That might be actually a bit of a confusing part for you because almost no other device gives you this. So when we click on it, we actually have a stupidly vast, or should have stupidly vast amount of options right here. Let's see if the other one does. This one has significantly more. So as you can see, there is a bit of a difference between them. All of them will be enabled. You can turn off some of these features that technically make your device perform worse to save on battery. So we have, as an example, a locked 60 Hz refresh rate instead of the, I believe, 144 that this device supports. We have force screen sleep time to no more than 30 seconds and force low media volume. That's kind of weird. While in the ultra durable mode, we have bit more. So we have still the ones that we had previously. We have also force turn off dual band Wi-Fi, which means that if you have 5 GHz and 2.4 GHz, only one of them will be in effect at a given moment. There's also some background sync, hyper focus, not exactly sure what that is. Again, screen timer, always on. And we have, again, media volume, and we have also forced the touch vibration to be off. Now, I will be honest, the other, I believe, Zenphones had a little bit more options in here, if I remember correctly, so this is a little bit underwhelming, because in the other ones we also had sliders for like your processor clocking, so you could downclock it and make it use less energy in general, which would have been also beneficial for your battery. Now we also gonna check out the high performance right here, and this one is a little bit more lackluster as well. So as you can see, it's basically all we have right here. And the reason I'm checking these out is because, like I mentioned, Zenfone, previous Zenphones had significantly more options in all these categories. So this is still doing better job than 99% of the devices, but it's a step down from ASUS previous phones. Anyway, so there we go. There's our power saving mode and ultra power saving mode and the normal one. Now, unfortunately, like I mentioned at the beginning, we don't really have any quick toggle for it, so we will need to literally navigate into the battery section and change it manually from here. So this is something that you might want to keep in mind. But with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.